Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Christian from Christian's Crafty Adventures. Welcome back if you've been in my channel before, but thank you so much and welcome if this is your first time. This is a collective haul as you may have seen in the thumbnail. So I'm going to tell you where I got them, but they're in no specific order. So let's start with these felts. These are from Daiso. They have so many colors and these are 7 by 7 inches. They're kind of small. It's not a lot, but you get a lot of variety. So this is $1.50 for 5 colors and it's 7 by 7. So it's good enough for like a project of some sort. So I got the blue assortment. I got the pink and red assortments. That's super cute, especially for the holidays. And there's this one, which is the pastel one. And then this one is a yellow and orange. Perfect for summer. This one is a neutral. You can always use a neutral, especially for eyes and for hair and such. This is the brown, and this could be used for skin. And this is the green one, which is super perfect. So I got those from Daiso. I'm gonna put it back in the container, in the plastic bag. This one is from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna put some new sprinkle mix in here, and that's how I organize them. This one is from Amazon, which is from KS Crafts. And this one is a Santa Claus bag topper. And I'm thinking, I ordered this because of Christmas in July. So this is a bag topper right there. It gives you like 2 Santas, 2 hats, and then 1 face. So you can just have them go at one point. I think this one, there's only 1, and this one is the face is only 1. But you can create your own Santa Claus bag topper. I'm thinking not just a bag topper, but an actual embellishment also. And I'm going to copy the Doodlebug version and just use this die. So I think that is awesome. So let me put that in my December daily stash. This one was inspired by Gina, my Gina Scrapinology, my friend Gina. This one, I started looking for these because of her haul videos. So these are the prints. There's only 8 sheets, so there's 2 of each. But these are gorgeous. Look at that print. I can't believe that this is the tissue paper from the Dollar Tree. Aren't those beautiful? I think they're beautiful. So I got 2 of that. I also got a primary one, and this is 24 sheets. You know how I love blue. This one is another one that's printed. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that pretty? And then it totally coordinates with the rest of them. So I think I got like 3 of this one. And then I got a pastel one because I've been doing a lot of Happy Mail and I ran out. Can you believe it? I also bought white, but I already opened the white one for a present. So that's done, and that's super cute. Next one, these are from Amazon. This one is a colored glue sticks. And what I use for them is I create cabochons. I just realized I tried the glitter one from the Dollar Tree. I also bought some of that from the Dollar Tree. I don't like this. Don't buy this. These are horrible. These are horrible and it makes a huge difference. I suggest just buy from Amazon. I make, like, you can make strawberries, look, using your glue gun. This one is Christmas lights, and I tried using the glitter one. It's not good. I wouldn't recommend it. I also been trying to use, like, do cherries. I'm just experimenting on them, but I wouldn't recommend the Dollar Tree one at all. I also got some gold ones. I think this would be super cute. And I also got more of the colors. They were like not arriving at the same time, so I got more of those colors. I wish I could buy them per color because there's certain colors that I use more. So that's that. This one is from the Dollar Tree actually, and I wanted to, the original intention for this is like a banner, like a long banner. My original intention for this is to paint over this and create my own, and then use it as a cover for, I don't know, make it an embellishment or a cover for a mini album. And I thought this strawberry is so cute. It looks creepy when they did the artwork. This is cute. But this one looks creepy, so I am definitely gonna try to change that up during the summer, like a summer project. This one is so cute. I want to bake. This is in preparation for Disney in September. I got 3 of them. So this one is like a Mickey muffin. This would be so cute to bake some muffins and wrap them so pretty for in commemoration for Disney in September. So I thought that was so cute. Another Disney in September product. I opened this yesterday to show to Rachel. This one is an earring set, an earring kit. It's very, I know it's like the glare, but this one you can create earrings. They provide you with the earring stuff, like the, I don't know what these are called, and then these they provide you with the dies. So, and then they give you the leather, like the synthetic leather that you can use for this project. So I think that will be so much fun to create that for Disney in September. Lots of things in preparation for Disney in September. This year is going to be our second Disney in September for PHA. That's a group that I belong to called PHA, which stands for Paper Hoarders Anonymous. We have a Facebook group, and you can search it by typing PHA Crafters. So you are more than welcome to join in on the fun. So this one I think would be so fun to create and kind of share with friends, you know, if all of you guys are doing Disney in September. That would be so fun to do, is to wear the same apparel. Anywho, so that's that. Next part, I'm trying to put them all organized in a bag just so it's not all over the place. I got more mounting tape, which is essential in your craft room forever and ever. Next part, I am so impressed with the stickers lately from the Dollar Tree, to be honest. So look at this, you guys. Let me get a sheet of paper so you can see better. Look at this. Isn't that awesome? And it's puffy also. It's not soft, but it's just a plastic puffy, old school. I hope you can see it okay. So that's what it looks like, and it's huge. Look at my hand. So this is big. This is an entire 12-inch ruler. So that's that. So I got 2 of those. Next one is this one, which is super cute. These are popsicles. And this would be so cute to use as ephemera, or like an additional embellishment just for fun. So cute. So I grabbed one of that. Then this one reminds me of Doodlebug. I know it's holographic, but if you take the holographic, oh, I got 2 of the popsicles. That's what I thought. If you take the holographic part of it out, it looks pretty good. So if you consider taking it out, and I can show you much better. See, you can see how cute they are. They're super cute. And these things have potential because they look like Doodlebug. I thought that was so cute. I only got one of that because I just wanted to try it out. I don't know how it's going to, you know, how thin it is. I got 2 of this one, which is summer. So cute. I love these. These are so simple, so easy to use. Isn't it? And then I'm so impressed. This one is double-sided. From here to here, it's exactly the same. So you get 2 of each. That's pretty impressive. So I got 2 of that. And this one I only got 1 of because I didn't know what it's going to look like. And I was in a rush. But this is a pretty good deal. If you look at it, you get this one, which is absolutely cute. If you think about it, if you put it on like, let's say you have this is all I have on my desk. Let's say you have this, and then you You put this right there. And imagine it's not Halloween colors. Wouldn't that be so cute? I think it's going to be so cute. So just in the, or put it like coffee cups. Look how cute they are. I don't think you can see it well, but I hope you can see it okay. Isn't that cute? I think it's cute. And then they have this one I'm not going to use. I'm probably going to throw that. I'm probably going to throw this. But these are the same as the other one. If you just remove the super harsh holographic background, there's potential to this because they have a llama. They have a cute like corn llama. Candy, cotton candy llama. It's so cute. Let me show you. They're so cute. I can't believe this is coming from the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree is like stepping up their game. I love it. I'm so grateful that they have these products available to us at a good price. Look how cute they are. Wouldn't that be so cute to be partners with the other one? Look how cute. See? Cute. Adorable. So that's that. This is going to go to the trash bin. And then this is another cute one. Rachel liked this a lot. So again, it's back and forth. So this is the front, this is the back portion, and you get 2 copies of each. Look at this. I don't know if it's an alpaca or a llama, but it's cute and it's rainbow. And look at that. Cute. This is creepy, but that's okay. And the strawberry's cute. So that's that. Those are the stickers from the Dollar Tree. Let me put this away. I'm trying to clean as I go because I'm going to work. So I already showed you these sticks that are not good, so don't buy them. They're not the best. Next one, I got this from Amazon, and this is going to be a giveaway. This is going to be a giveaway for Disney in September for me. And you can create your own Disney charms with that. I think that's going to be an awesome idea. Finally got some Goo Gone. So, and then this one is supposed to be this. I ordered before I realized that you can create your eyes with the glue gun. So this one are like more flat back for eyes. But they have so many sizes and their majority of them is so small. So I would not recommend this, to be honest. I would just use Nuvo drops. If you don't have time, you can use black, what do you call this? Glue sticks. I would use black glue sticks. I think that would be better and you have more control. If you don't feel like you're steady when it comes to your glue gun skills, then you can get these ones. Next one is, this one is from Target. It's like a random. It's called Reversible Bulletin Borders. And this I think is so cute to create embellishments. They're super long. And this is the back part of it. So cute also. So I got 2 of that. So you can use it for whatever. And then this last part, oh my gosh, you guys, you're going to be blown away because look, Dollar Store now has vinyl. I've been trying to look for this. I have got the silver. I got the rose gold or copper. I can't believe they have it. I cannot believe it. Right there. Maybe it's going to be less glary. I got the black glittery. I also got the gold one. Isn't it amazing? And I got transfer paper also. So I got 3 transfer papers for cricketing. And then they have these colors. I wish they had pink and aqua. But they have these primary colors. Is that awesome? I wish they would have orange and purple for Halloween. That will be super awesome. And pink, of course. And aqua. That is so cute. Unbelievable. I can't believe that it's available in the Dollar Tree. Can you believe it? I'm so surprised. But that is pretty awesome. So that is the end of my Dollar Tree haul. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and I hope that you can find these at your local Dollar Tree if this is something you're interested in. Thank thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful crafty day. This is Christian signing off. Bye, guys.